Let's focus on beginning your day in a mindful way. Begin with a gentle breath. Inhale slowly and exhale gently. Allow your shoulders to drop just a little more with each exhale. Let your body settle as if it's grounding itself in the moment. This is your time to pause, to connect, and to begin the day with clarity and purpose. Now take another breath, not to change anything, just to notice. Feel the air move through your body, the rise and fall, the quiet rhythm of life unfolding within you. There's no need to rush. This morning is not something to conquer, but something to experience, one moment at a time. Bring your attention to your body, this body that has carried you through so much and now gently wakes again. Notice how your muscles begin to stir, how the breath brings subtle energy, how warmth begins to build as you breathe in and release. Feel the shift from stillness to movement, from rest to readiness. With each inhale, imagine inviting vitality into your system. Oxygen feeding your brain, your heart, your limbs. And with each exhale, letting go of tension and fogginess left over from sleep. Take a moment to notice your hands, your arms, your shoulders. Feel their presence. Acknowledge their readiness to carry the day. Notice your back, your legs, your feet, how they anchor and support you. Feel the quiet strength within you. As you begin your day, you may feel the pull of responsibilities, tasks, and expectations. These will come, but first, return to this breath, right here, this space, this moment. Just inhale and exhale. And again, inhale and exhale. Now gently bring your awareness to what lies ahead today. Think of it not as a list of chores or obligations, but as an opportunity. Each interaction, each task, each moment is a chance to show up as your best self, not perfectly, but presently. What would it be like to greet each part of your day with curiosity instead of judgment? To pause before reacting, to breathe before deciding, to listen, not just to others, but to yourself, to your needs, your intentions, your inner wisdom. Even small moments can carry deep meaning when you meet them mindfully. The way you make your breakfast, the way you open a door, the way you speak to someone who needs your attention. Let each become a thread in the fabric of your day. You might even ask yourself now, what kind of energy do I want to bring into the day? Is it calm strength, gentle focus, quiet determination, compassion? Whatever it is, visualize yourself embodying that energy. Not forcing it, but letting it rise naturally, like the warmth that builds as the sun rises. And if challenges come, and they likely will, remember, Mindfulness doesn't mean avoiding difficulty. It means meeting it with awareness, with patience, with presence. You don't have to do everything at once. You don't have to solve every problem today. All you need to do is take one mindful step at a time. Breathe, pause, begin again. As this time comes to a close, take a final grounding breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Feel your feet on the ground. Gently move your fingers. Roll your shoulders if you like. Let your body prepare for movement. Before you return to your day, set one small intention. Not a goal, not an achievement, just a way of being. A single word might capture it. Present, patient, open, kind. Whatever speaks to you. Carry it with you, not as a rule, but as a gentle reminder throughout your day. This is a new beginning, a fresh page. You are here, and this day is yours. Go forward mindfully, with calm, and with purpose.